down here.
Okay, I see. So what is this? What is this that we're building?
We're building something.
What is something called?
It's called the slide made out of bricks.
Okay.
And traffic.
And traffic. Okay, I see.
So we need this for the traffic to go.
Mm-hmm. What did you make for the traffic to go?
These blocks have to go right to the traffic.
Mm-hmm.
And we need one more door. So this one has to go on that side.
Okay. You keep building. You're doing a great job.
And then this one has to stay right there.
Okay.
So
I didn't know you know how to build so good.
This one for the blue.
Let's take a walk around what you're building here.
And
Let's see what you got going.
we need this too.
So, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Who taught you how to build a wall like this?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're very genius.
Let's put this one right back.
So who taught you how to build?
Somebody did.
Somebody did? You're such a good builder.
I'm putting this one.
I'm gonna have to hire you to make me a house one day. Okay?
Real house, Daddy?
Yeah, a real house, boo-boo.
When I get bigger, Daddy?
Yes, baby.
We need this one for
Because apparently you know what you're doing.
This one has to go right here next to